Hello everyone, this is MD Jahangir Alam Jason, student 2D and 3D animation BITM. In today's presentation, I will discuss health and hygiene issues during pandemic. So let's start. So before I start, we should know what is pandemic. A pandemic is an epidemic of an infectious disease. It's a disease outbreak that spreads across countries or continents. It affects more people and takes more lives than an epidemic. We can say pandemic is a global epidemic. So what about the healthcare during pandemic? Healthcare is the biggest challenge of the pandemic. At this time, we have to be strong both physically and mentally. The pandemic have a major effect on our lives. Many of us are facing challenges that can be stressful and overwhelming. Actually, learning to cope with stress in a healthy way will help you. It's natural to feel stress, anxiety, grief, and worry during the pandemic. Below are ways that can help us and our community manage stress. Take care of body, so you can do your normal exercise in home. You can take your online yoga classes. Make time to unwind. Try to do some other activities which you enjoy during this pandemic. Take breaks from news stories, including those on social media. It's important. Connect with others. Talk with people whom you trust more about your concern and how you are feeling. Connect with your community or faith-based organization. So what is hygiene during pandemic? Hygiene is very important during the pandemic. Frequent through hand washing with soap and water is one of the best ways to prevent the spread of infectious disease of the pandemic. The health expert add a few more points. Hygiene during pandemic. Wash your hands often. Use hand sanitizer. Don't touch your face or nose. Cover your sneeze and coughs. Wear a mask. Actually should wear a proper way. Avoid close contact at least 6 meters. Maintain social distance. Use your own supplies. Don't use others. Clean your electronics device. So this should be do in the pandemic. So the conclusion is that if we keep our bodies and mind strong and follow the guidelines of the government and the World Health Organization without getting into fear, we'll be able to fight together with the pandemic. So that was my short presentation. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching me and my presentation.